I'm Josh Butt. I farm in the Camberg district of KZN near Mooi River, part of a family farming enterprise with my cousin, my father and my uncle. We run a mixed farm of maize, soyas, pigs and beef cattle. Pienaar maize varieties provide great grain quality. We need good quality feed for our pigs, and Pienaar maize and soybeans are able to provide that for us. I still believe farming is a very important part of the economy. It still contributes greatly to the economy. We obviously live in rural areas, and there's a lot of poverty in rural areas, so we try and employ as many people as we can and try and help the communities and try and uplift some of the people that live in the rural areas. And hopefully we can carry on doing that and carry on farming in this area. The 3R524 fits in very nicely in our high potential fields where we expect top yields. It's a nice quick dry down, so we can plant early and then harvest early and get some early maize off for the pigs. Our 528 fits a little bit after that. It's a little bit slightly slower and more of a stable variety, better in slightly lower potential fields, and can handle stress a little bit better. And then our 573, which is the white variety, we put on our poorer fertility soils. It handles the poorer fertility better and stands really well, so we can leave combining that till last and still produces great grain quality and a decent yield. Pienaar has a lot of varieties to choose from, and of that we've chosen these three as they fit in well in our environment and produce great volume and great grain quality for our piggery.